Hi friends, welcome to 5 Minutes Tech YouTube channel. Here is Samsung Galaxy S23 Ultra 5G smartphone. In this video, you will learn how to enable or disable notification pop-up style on your phone Samsung Galaxy S23 Ultra 5G. First of all, go to the settings of your phone. Go to settings, then go to notifications, and here select notification pop-up style, and here turn on this button to show even while screen is off. Okay, while your screen is off, notification pop-up will appear. Okay, that's the meaning of it. And if you want to disable this function shown even while screen is off, just turn off this button. Now notification pop-up style will not be enabled on lock screen. Okay, that is screen is off. Okay, in this way you can easily control, that is enable or disable notification pop-up style in your phone Samsung Galaxy S23 Ultra 5G. That's all friends. Thanks for watching. Bye.